Right. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good day to everyone. So today we will present P2 planning for project management, which is our service is Putra Booking Service. First of all, my name is Muhammad Muaz bin Muhammad Nur, matrix number 206542.
My name is Muhammad Haziq bin Shahruddin. My business number is 205225.
My name is Muhammad Tafizi bin Mapiasi. My matrix number is 20732.
Right. To begin P2 planning, we start with the schedule. So we use for schedule we use Project Libre. So we set up the plan that have been done from PBS P1. So begin with the defining the project, and then it will end up with the rollout, which is marketing. So this project had begin from 10 October 2022, and then should be finished by 4th of January 2023. So from this planning, we can see that there are two work should start simultaneously, which is design logo and configure design and layout. Right, so this is the Gantt chart. From the Gantt chart, we can see that there is no slack between the work distribution. And then we'll have multiple start, which is configure design and layout and design the logo. And then this is project network view schedule. We use Project Libre as well. So from project network schedule, we can see clearly how the overview of the project, and it will avoid confusions among the staff about the work distribution. And then for our project, we are time constrained. And then from this project network, we can avoid delay. And then this project should follow the plan, the original plan that had been planned in the P1.
Okay, next I will proceed with the budget. So basically before that, I'm gonna explain why the time phase budget baseline is needed. So first, we need to determine if the project is on, ahead, or behind the schedule and over or under its budget cost. And then second, we need to know how much work has been accomplished for the allocated money spent. So as you can see in the slide, this is our time phase work package budget. For the work package description, with this website, and then the work package ID is I refer with the PBS that P1 just have been done, and then for the removable is logo and the layout website, and then the organization that are responsible for this task is a design unit, and then the work package duration is 3 weeks. So basically, as you can see in the table, so the first code, which is 1.2, 1.1.1.1, refer to the design the logo, because we need to pay someone to design our logo because they have a better experience and a better idea. And then the payment happens during the week 5, which is cost RM 10 ringgit only. But for the second work package, which is 1.2.1.1 and point 2, this is also under the design unit, because we need to pay someone, our supplier, to design our layout of the website. So the payment happens during week 6 for first for the RM 2 10 20 ringgit, because after he designed the layout, we need to see the result first, and then if we satisfied, we're gonna proceed the full payment on the week 7, which is cost 20 ringgit. So the total is gonna be RM 40 ringgit. Next. So for the resource, basically there are two types of constraint. First, the resource constraint project. So a project in which the level of resource available cannot be exceeded. So the resource are fixed, but the time is flexible. So inadequate, the resource will delay the project. And the second is time constraint project. So basically, it must be completed by an import date. So the time is fixed and resources are flexible. So for our project, we use the resource leveling. So as you can see in the slide, there are different projects, and then for the task design logo, we assign for 2%, and then configure design and layout 3%, activate site 2%, and you are configured on the same week, which is 1%, and then for the configure hosting, we assign 4%, and then the running website 4%, marketing 4%. Next. So basically, as you can see, based on our leveling, the leveling is a very smooth, because if we delay the irrigation, they will be up and down rather than smoothing. So that's why so the delaying the irrigation is not a good choice. So our target is always to make the resource usage level as smooth as possible, because moving in out of the person from the site is very costly. So hiring or add more person for more days in one shot may be cheaper. So people are more efficient if they can focus their effort on one project rather than multitasking. So as the often had glitch state, time is money. So you can see why most project stakeholder give more importance to the time concern than any other concern. Next, I will pass to the next presenter.
Thank you, Hafizi. The risk management process begin by trying to generate a list of all the possible risks that could affect the project. We use a risk breakdown structure to help identifying the risks, but we will explain more about RBS later. Next step is risk assessment in terms of severity of impact, likelihood of occurring, and controllability. We need to develop method to sift through the list of risks, eliminate the redundant, and rank the worthy in terms of importance. For the third step, after we know the risk, a decision must be made concerning which response is appropriate for the specific problem. Response to risk can be classified as mitigating, avoiding, transferring, or returning. Moreover, a contingency plan is an alternative plan that will be used if a possible risk event becomes a reality. Last step, this control involves executing the risk response strategy, monitoring future events, starting the contingency plan, and watching for new risks. Besides, establishing a change management system to deal with specific problems that require formal changes. Next slide. Now, I will start explaining our RBS with technical risk. This happens when the project system has a network problem. For example, our website gets stuck and then crash, causing it suddenly to shut down. In addition, the internet network also play an important role because it is the main cause of this system running smoothly. The quality of the website will be affected, causing the interface to become difficult to read. For the second aspect, which is project management risk, this happens when we are not good at controlling this system when something happens beyond our expectation. For example, when there are many bookings at one time, they may overlap each other. We also do not have people who are expert in this field to communicate with. Thus, we need to know how to organize the time and place in a more structured way so that customer can easily use it. Lastly, the external risk is when customer does not know about this website. This is because we do not spread the existence of this website to the public. This project is also for UPM engineering student only. Besides, customers do not know how this website works because it does not have a complete guidelines. So, we need to create a solution manual to ease the use of this project. That's all for me. Thank you.
Right. So for staffing, we create matrix organization structure. So from this structure, you can see that this project are led by a project manager, and then we have three main department, and then each of the department will have subsection, which is subsection will lead by the functional manager, which is the head of the department lah. From this structure, we can conclude that our project is a balanced metric, which is 50% authority from project manager and 50% from functional manager. So in each of the subsection, our project manager are also involved. For example, Hafizi also involved in design logo and also involved in running the website. So the project manager will create an original plan for this project, and then the functional manager will follow and supervise the staff based on the original plan. Right. So that's all from us. Thank you.